Good morning, students. As we have completed two topics in our grammar, today we are going to start with our third topic. Before that, we'll revise the second topic which we have learned. That is, the sentence mainly has two parts. You tell me what will be that two: subject and predicate. Let us see the definition also of subject and predicate. Subject means what? The person or thing we talk about in a sentence is called subject. What is said about the subject in a sentence is called a predicate. For example, I'll tell you in a simple way that in a sentence about whom we are speaking in this sentence, that is what we call as subject, and the left this words, a group of words which tells about the subject, are being called as predicate. Let us move to learn the third, that is kinds of sentence. Kinds is also being called as types. Okay, so today in this topic we are going to learn the types of sentences. See, depending upon what sentence convey, they are classified into four types. So in a sentence, what it is being conveyed, according to that, the sentence is being classified into four types. Okay, first one is statement or declarative sentence, question or interrogative sentence, command or imperative sentence. Fourth one is exclamatory sentence. So there are four types of sentence today we are going to learn. First one is statement or declarative sentence, question or interrogative sentence, command or imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Okay. Let us see what the first one is being called. Statement or declarative sentence. A sentence that makes statement or declare something is called a statement or declarative sentence. Means what? If a sentence tells us or declares something in a sentence as well as it ends with full stop, such kind of sentence is being called as statement or declarative sentence. Let us see the example. See, Haridwar is a holy place. Now in this sentence we come to know that Haridwar is a holy place. Okay, and this sentence ends with full stop, so it is being considered as statement or declarative sentence. Okay, whatever the sentence ends with full stop, most of them it is being considered as statement or declarative sentence. Okay, let us see the second example. Stars are balls of fire. Okay, here also they are telling that stars are what? The balls of fire, and it ends with full stop. Let us see the second type, that is question or interrogative sentence. By seeing this only, question means what? The question sentences are being included as interrogative sentence. Let us see the definition. A sentence that asks a question is called a question or interrogative sentence. Means the question sentence are being called as question or interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence ends with question mark. Okay, let us see the example. See, are you going to school? Here we are asking question, right? Whenever we ask question, we put question mark. So question sentences are being called as interrogative sentence. Okay, the second one, see, where is my bicycle? It ends with question mark, so it is what? Question sentence. The third one, command or imperative sentence. Okay, a sentence that expresses a command, a request, suggestion or a desire is called an interrogative sentence or command sentence. In this sentence, whatever, if we are commanding something or we are requesting something from other person to do, or we are giving suggestion to someone, if we have a desire, that also if we are telling, such kind of sentences are being called as what? Command sentence. Here it is written interrogative, it is not interrogative, it is an imperative sentence. Okay. See example. Please open the door. We are requesting someone to open the door. So this sentence is being said as command or imperative sentence. Let us see the second example. Shut the computer. So this is what the command. We are giving command. Shut down the computer. Okay. So this is also included as command or imperative sentence. Third, let's go for a walk. Like that, what it is? It is a suggestion. We'll go for a walk. Okay. Fourth one, take care of your health. It is also a suggestion. Okay. So a sentence that expresses a command, request, suggestion or a desire is called as imperative or command. Let us see the fourth type, that is exclamatory sentence. By listening this, what comes in your mind? That in a sentence, wherever the exclamation mark is there, that sentence is being considered as exclamatory sentence. See, the sentence that expresses strong or sudden feeling is called exclamatory sentence. Okay. An exclamatory sentence contains a mark of exclamation. A sentence which expresses a strong or sudden feeling is called what? Exclamatory sentence. Let us see the example. What a beautiful sight. Means here the exclamation mark is there. Okay. So it is being considered as exclamatory sentence. Oh, you are hurt badly. So it is a sudden feeling, right? So this kind of sentences are being called as exclamatory sentence. Take the correct option. Which is a declarative sentence? Let us see the options. The sky is blue. Is sky blue? Oh, a blue sky. Now tell me, which one is the declarative sentence here? See, the B1 is having question mark and C1 is having exclamatory mark. So, second one will be question sentence and third one will be what? Exclamatory sentence. So, first one ends with full stop, then the first one will be the declarative sentence. Okay. Now let us see which is an interrogative sentence here. Let us see the option. I am going to school. Where are you going? In the school. Okay, I am going to school. It ends with full stop. Tell me which sentence it will be? Declarative. The second one. Where are you going? Interrogative sentence means what? Question sentence. So, where are you going will be the answer. Which is a command sentence? Tell me which is the command sentence here, okay? Let's learn our lessons now. Do you learn lesson? Hearing your lesson. You tell me which one will be the command sentence? Yes, the first one. Let's learn our lesson now. Let's see the fourth question here. Fourth one is, which is an exclamatory sentence? It is very easy to identify exclamatory sentence, right? The first one, see. Hooray! Our team won the match. Did our team win the match? Our team won. Now tell me which one will be the exclamatory sentence here? Yes, first one. You are right. Read the sentences and write the kind of sentences. As before, we have learned how to identify the type of sentence, right? Now we are going to read the sentence and write the type of the sentences. Okay. See, Atul is a brave man. You tell me which kind of sentence it is. It is statement or declarative sentence. Let us see the second one. Where is the dog? You tell me. Your question mark is there. We are asking question. Which kind of sentence it is? Question or interrogative sentence. The honey bee is busy. You tell me which kind of sentence it is? It is statement or declarative sentence. Fifth one. Please help me. We are requesting someone. Tell me which kind of sentence it is? Command or imperative sentence. Oh, what a cute child. You tell me which sentence it is? It is exclamatory sentence. Are you mad? You tell me which sentence it is? It is question or interrogative sentence. Statement to interrogative sentence. Now what we are going to learn is how to convert a statement sentence into interrogative sentence. It is very easy. I'll explain you the step as what is are. If in a sentence, whatever the statement sentence is there, in that if is, are and am is there, you have to write first. Then you have to write the subject and predicate. Okay, and you have to put what? Question mark. This is the step. What you have to do first is, if in a sentence is, am and are is there in the statement sentence, you have to write first. Then you have to add subject, then predicate, then you have to put question mark. Let us see the example. See, the chair is made of wood. You tell me in the sentence is, am, are is there a word? Yes. So is we will put what? First. What we are going to put? Is first. And now tell me here which is the subject? What is the subject here in the sentence? The chair. Right? The chair is the subject. And rest of you are going to write predicate after that. What will be the answer? Is the chair made of wood? Question mark. See the answer? Is the chair made of wood? Question mark. We have written chair here capital. Right? Noun you can write capital. Here see, boys are playing badminton. You tell me here, is, are or am is there? Yes. So what you have to write? Are will come first. And then you tell me what is the subject here? Boys. That you have to write. And then you have to write the predicates. Tell me what will be the answer? Are boys playing badminton? Question mark. Okay. Now I have explained you how to convert the statement sentence into interrogative sentence. So this you are going to do by your own. Okay. And today we have learned that the types of sentences according to what they convey. There are four. There are four types. First one is statement or declarative sentence, question or interrogative sentence, command or imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. And as well as we have learned how to convert statement sentence into interrogative sentence. Thank you.